Hey, what's up with you today? I want to do a review about a product that I bought and that I think I really believe in. I heard a lot about it, and it's a product that my beauty guru, my personal beauty guru, Tati from Glam Guru, she developed this product, and it's a supplement that I really believe in. I heard a lot about its ingredients and the way they work together. There are many videos in YouTube right now that are talking about this product. I know there was a lot of controversy about this product, and people just said mean things about it without really checking. And from my examination, this product is really going to be helpful, and there's nothing in it that can harm me, okay? But I'm not a doctor, and you should consult your doctor before you take supplements. This supplement you take twice a day, and it's supposed to boost your hair, skin, and nails. So I just cut my hair because my hair, what can I say? I'm 46 years old. My hair is mostly gray. I dyed it to blonde. I use 6% developer for the color. From here until here, I straighten it with some chemicals. It was the Yoko system, and it really burned it a year ago. And since then, I'm just trying to nourish it with all kinds of products. I will do videos about the products that I use to reconstruct and nourish my hair so it will grow better. But still, from time to time I have to cut it, so at the end of the day all this quite dry and ruined hair will be out of the system. It will not be here anymore, and only the more healthy section will be on my head. So to accelerate this, I'm going to try the halo. Tati is saying that she's trying it and she has the greatest nails and hair and skin. This supplement is also supposed to make your skin better. It's supposed to give you more hydration. It says promotes strong and healthy nails, anti-gray fighting enzymes. It says it's promote thick and luscious hair growth and minimize fine lines and wrinkles. So the thing is, I'm gonna try it for a month. I bought 2 bottles. I'm going to try it for 2 months, but after a month I'm going to show you my hair. I'm going to show you my nails, which are the most important things, because I think with all the anti-aging treatments that I do to my skin doesn't look exactly like a 46-year-old woman. But my nails are really damaged. They really have a problem. I guess something is missing. I don't know, magnesium, maybe calcium, I don't know. But I really hope that with this supplement everything will be better. These are my nails. I'm going to show you. This is the right hand. As you can see, everything is like very short, and if it grows just a little bit, then it just splits. And this is the left hand. As you can see, all the time this finger and this finger are just a little bit better, and the others just, they don't grow, and if they grow, this one is the worst, they just split. I really have problems with my nails. I really hope that it will help my nails and my hair to grow healthier, that I will lose less hair and it will go thicker, healthier, faster, and same for my nails. I will keep you informed about my progress, and in a month I will put a video that will show you how things are for me. This is it by now. If you want to know more about this product, please go to Glam Guru Tati Westbrook page. She has an Instagram, she has this beautiful channel. I think she's amazing. I love hearing her talk. She has the sweetest, soft voice, and it's just fun to watch her. Never a dull moment when you see her. She gives the best reviews about new products from the drugstore or high-end products, makeup and etc. So this is my tip to you. Go and search this product and come back and watch my review, my personal experience with this product. So for now, I will tell you bye and have a great day. See you.